Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today, I'm going to share the secrets of one of nature's most amazing gifts, the papaya. This tropical fruit is not only delicious, but it's also a powerhouse of nutrition and health benefits. First, let's talk about its nutritional profile. Papayas are packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin A, folate, and potassium. Just one small papaya provides 157% of your daily vitamin C needs. And it's not just about vitamins. Papayas are rich in antioxidants like lycopene and beta-carotene. But what does all this mean for your health? For starters, those antioxidants help fight free radicals. Studies from Harvard University have shown that diets rich in antioxidants can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and cancer. And let's not forget about digestion. Papayas contain an enzyme called papain, which helps break down proteins. This can be especially helpful for those with digestive issues. Research from the University of Illinois found that papain can help relieve bloating and constipation. Now, I have to mention papaya's anti-inflammatory properties. A study at the University of Florida revealed that papaya extracts can significantly reduce inflammation. This is great news for anyone suffering from inflammatory conditions like arthritis. But wait, there's more. Papayas are also known to support immune function. The high vitamin C content boosts your immune system, helping you fight off colds and infections. And the folate in papayas is essential for DNA repair and growth. Let's look at some fun facts. Did you know that Christopher Columbus called papayas the fruit of the angels? And it's no wonder, with all these health benefits, it might just be the angel of fruits. Now, I'm curious, how do you like to eat your papaya? In smoothies, salads, or by itself? Share your favorite recipes in the comments below. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe now and join our health community.